Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram blurry stories problem. So sometimes what happens is you post a story in Instagram but the story might be blurry. So to fix it in iPhones, what you need to do is just follow me. I'll be teaching a very easy step. And if you have any queries or any problem within the step, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Instagram and then go to your profile and then go to settings of the Instagram. Go a bit down until you find something which says media quality. So just go with it. And over here, what you need to do is make sure that useless data cellular data is turned off like this, and upload at high quality is turned on, and then disable HDR video playback is turned off. So with these all three things, and considering one more thing, your internet connection quality. If your internet connection is slow as well, the Instagram story might get blurred. So remember these two things and just post your stories. Your everything will be fixed. There will be no any blurry stories now. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.